So I've gone to this lead. Let me go back to my leads. Here you go. Is that gonna go? Fine. Oh yeah, this is. And I want to, I've made the phone call at Modern Mart, and I now know that this is Mr. John Smith, right? I know that he's manager. His email's john@modernmart.com, whatever, right? I know the website's modernmart.com. And after I've spoke to him, I now know they want me to give him a price on a new CCTV system, right? So I'm going to save it. But what I'm now going to do is create an account and a contact. So I'm going to convert. Let me go back. I jumped on that a bit quick. I'm going to just click convert, right? So now this person's actively talking to me. As far as I'm concerned, they're in my pipeline. I've moved them towards being a customer. So now they're in my contacts because I'm talking to them. So I click convert, and it's going to say it's going to create a new account for Modern Mart Supermarket. So what we've said is accounts are the business, and the contact is the person. Then you might want to put, in this scenario, create a new deal. You might want to tick it and say, yeah, amount. This is new CC. I'm going to put 20,000. Deal name. I might just put CCTV upgrade Modern Mart Supermarket. You might even need to put Modern Mart. You can move that around if you want. Closing date. I'm going to give myself 4 or 5 weeks. It's a big job. The stage is, again, whatever's been defined in your company as the funnel. So this might be, qualification. This was the phone call. Do you want to? Are you thinking about upgrading your system? Needs analysis is where we're at now. We need to monitor what we need to do, get prices, send the value, send the quote. ID decision makers. I don't know why that's all the way around, but you've already ID'd the decision maker early doors. Maybe you haven't. Maybe you need to work out who needs to sign off, and then send a proposal or quote. So depending on what your stages look like, and remember in lesson 1 we said this can change. Everything's, if you say to your boss that don't make sense, the funnel's not in order, then you can change it around. So I'm going to say need analysis for that. Campaign source, and this was, again, there's no campaign set up. But this was a cold call. But if it was somebody who phoned you on the back of an advertisement somewhere, you would put that advertising campaign. Contact role, purchasing, executive, engineering lead, product manager. See, none of these are really out of the box, makes sense. I'll put purchasing. But again, you might want to change the contact roles. Owner of this record is you, and convert. So now we've converted it, you're going to get, there's obviously some gamification going off for how many times you sign people off or not. You've now got your first account, your first contact, and your first deal, right? So I'm going to talk about accounts, contacts, and deals next, and I'm going to filter out the other stuff.